Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will propagate a bird's nest snake plant, or what they called Sansevieria honey. It is very popular. Look at this cute little one here. This one, I will separate this one to the little path. It has a dark, glossy leaves and funnel in shape and form an elegant rosette of lush succulent foliage. It is very easy to care, grows in a very low light, and also it doesn't require much water. In fact, overwatering is one of the big problems. So be careful guys. Allow the soil to dry out first before watering. Then, water thoroughly and allow the water to drain first. Do not allow the plant to sit in water, as this will cause a root rot. Okay? This short plant will only grow until 12 inches tall. So, if it will become overcrowded, separate them. Give each their own pot or container so that they can spread nicely and beautiful. Also, don't forget to keep this plant in bright and direct sunlight at a very comfortable and consistent room temperatures. You can put them outside during the summertime because the weather is good, and then bring them back inside the house during the winter time. Kind of plants is perfect for the office, study room, or center table where little natural light is available. Since it is a new plant, I need to water them, both the mother and then the baby plant, so that they will grow nicely and fast. So I'm done now. Here's the mother plant and the baby bird's nest snake plant. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click like, comment below, and subscribe my channel.